Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to remove image backgrounds. Before to remove the backgrounds from the image, we were using software like Photoshop. But these softwares were not suitable for everyone. Even for such a simple job had a complex user interface. In this video, I will show you the easy way. First, open your search engine and write Remove&Change and search. Click on the first website, remove background from image, remove.png. I downloaded a picture for given example. Click the upload image and select your image and click open. You will see original and removed background. Did you see? That's all. Just upload your picture. Also, you can change from background on Remove&Change. Just click to edit button here and select your background here. Click to edit, loading image. Okay, you can change from here. Did you see it? That's all. Click to image and change background. We came to the end of this video. With this way, you can easily erase the background. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos like this. See you in another video.